Everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login Aid. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to find your saved songs on Snapchat. To find your saved songs on Snapchat, you need to first open your Snapchat application on your mobile phone. Now make sure that you are logged into your Snapchat ID. After this, you'll be taken to this camera section. Now here you can see music icon on the right side. Tap on music icon. Now, to save songs on Snapchat, you can choose any of the songs that you want. Then you can tap on heart icon. With this, the song will be added to your favorites. Now, if you want to create your own song, then you can tap on create sound option. With this now here, you can either upload from camera roll or record sound. I'm going to record a sound. Now tap on mic icon to record the sound. After this, you can tap on the circle to stop it. Now here you can name the sound. After this, tap on save sound option. Now your song will be created and it will be added to your sound option on a Snapchat. Now to find these songs, you can go back to the camera section of a Snapchat. Now tap on music icon on the right side. Now here you'll be again taken to features section. Now tap on my favorites option on the top. Now here you can see your favorites song that you have saved. You can tap on my sounds to look for the sounds that you have created. You can easily tap on the sounds to listen to the sound. This is how we can easily find our saved songs on Snapchat. This is it for tutorial everyone. Hope this tutorial was helpful to you all. If you like today's tutorial, make sure you like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.